Hey guys, so welcome back. We are going to be doing our Ipsy unbaggings for today. So that is what we are going to get started on. Make sure to subscribe down below before you guys head out. And I'm going to leave all of that good stuff that you guys want to know about down below because I know you guys hate those long intros. So let's get diving into it. So here is this month's bag. Not feeling it. This is definitely not my style. Personally, I just wouldn't ever, no. But I know there's people out there that probably love a bag like this. So let's open this. So the very first thing I have in here is by John Sao, and it's called Alue, I want to say. And it's a step 2 of the Skin Solution set. And this is a hydrating and calming serum. Let's feel this. It smells like gel. Interesting. A little sticky, but we'll keep going. So the next thing I have in here, I see are tweezers. There's two. No. What is this? I see one tweezer. Okay. Well, this is some interesting contraption, you guys. This is by Farrah Brushes. I'm digging it. Oh, one side has the pointed side, which are the best ones, you guys. Oh, mother, that was a long one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm definitely using these. I actually needed a new pair anyway, so that's awesome. The next thing I have in here is this cute little cardboard box. This here is by THEBALM. This is the Mary Lou Manizer. I'm sure we've all heard of it before. It's amazing. The next thing I have in here is called Raisin and Cream, and this is a long-lasting cream stain. This is not the payoff I was expecting, but I'm digging it. Let's put a little bit right in the center. And I don't want to hit too much because I already have a liquid lipstick. Oh, that tastes good. The last thing I have in this bag is this box called Trust Fund Beauty, and this is an exfoliate lip scrub. Yes! Oh yeah, I can dig this. All right, I'm actually needing one. I'm running out of my Tarte lip, like crayon stick scrubber apparatus thing. I don't know. Anyways, I'm almost out of it, and I needed a new one. I was just thinking about it today. This is called Lipgasm. Oh yeah, that's a good scrubber. That's a good scrubber. Oh, that is way more abrasive than the Tarte one that I own. Let's move into my bag now. Let's see what I got. So here is my bag, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead. And the first thing I have here is this big fat thing. This here is Andalou Naturals Argan Oil and Shea Styling Cream for flexible hold. Apply to damp hair and gently comb through, dry naturally or soap. I don't really normally use styling creams. I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair because I find that it'll weigh it down pretty heavily if I do put too much product in my hair. So I might pass this on to somebody who would use it because I know myself most likely won't use it. The next thing I see in here is, hell yeah, I got me a Lipgasm. This here is the exfoliant lip scrub. Same one as my mom's. I'm very excited about that because, yeah, I almost was going to steal hers. So I'll probably give her this one since it's unopened, and then I'll take hers since I already opened it. The next thing I see in here is a Dirty Little Secret, and this is a eyeshadow. Okay, all right. Oh, that's a beautiful shade. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I definitely see myself wearing this. This is, ooh, it's soft and creamy and buttery. I can see myself doing like an entire look using this eyeshadow. Oh yeah, this is definitely something I would wear. So I also did receive the Mary Lou Manizer. This here is a little sample size. I'll probably just pop it out and throw it in my Z palette or give it to my daughter since she loves to put on makeup. And then the last thing I have here is this Belle Pierre Cosmetics Stay Put Brow Gel. Interesting. So I do think if you pop this, yep, you should be able to have, so this here, if you pop off the top, you're going to be able to use it for your brows. I am somebody that prefers more of an angled brow up, little tool versus something that's more round shape. I feel like this is going to be a better tool to clean up along the edge of your brows. But to each their own. And then you're going to open it and brow powder. Well, it is closed. I'm going to leave it closed, but the one that I got in is in licorice. Very impressive. They actually gave me my color. This would probably be a color that I would wear, so why won't this close? Oh, it opened on its own. Well, we'll test it out then. Huh, let's see. Whoa! Holy moly. You know what? I'm just gonna try a little bit right here. Oh, that's dark. Oh shit, I better fill the rest of my brows in. Oh, this would be really good because it's so much darker to like create those natural brow hairs. Huh. Wow. All right. Well, I'll definitely try it out. So that there kicks off the Ipsy unboxing for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before you guys head out, please make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.